How to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So if you want to add collaboration in your Instagram post after posting, then simply go with your profile. Open up your Instagram and go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, now you will have your post, right? So you can simply choose a post, any post that you're comfortable with, and go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. And now you need to tap on edit. Once you tap on edit here on the upper side, you will have add collaboration option. But if you don't have that option, then you might need to update your Instagram application because it's a new update. So once you've updated your Instagram, you can simply go back with your Instagram profile again, and also make sure that you have a business account. Like if you've posted while you had a business account, then you will get that option. So make sure that you have a business account, and after that you've posted something, and after posting you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you can go with the edit option, and here on the upper side you will have add paid partnership label. You can simply tap on it, and then you can toggle it on, and you can simply add some brand partners if you want to. You can add the collaboration itself. So that's it. Make sure that you have a business account, and once you have your business account, then you will have an option of add collaboration on the upper right side of your post. Go with edit, and here you will have the option on the upper right side. So that's how you can add your collaboration in your Instagram post after posting, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.